In this video, we'll derive the distance formula. That is the distance between any two coordinates in this Cartesian system. In this Cartesian system, this is our y o y dash, the y-axis. This is x dash o x, the x-axis. Here I have taken a point P. This is a point Q. Let's have the coordinates of P as x1, y1. And let's take the coordinates of Q as x2, y2. Our interest is to get the distance between these 2 points. So let's join the 2 points P to Q. After joining this, let's move forward. If this is x1, y1, it means the distance traveled on x-axis from here, let's call it point M, is x1, and the distance traveled here on y-axis is y1. Since they'll be parallel, this is y1. That's how we have the coordinates of P as x1, y1. Similarly, dropping the perpendicular from Q, perpendicular, the distance traveled from O to S is x2. That is why this abscissor for Q is x2, and this travel distance on y-axis is y2 distance. So this distance also will be y2 distance. Let's drop the perpendicular from P to join it on QS. This is the perpendicular drawn. So now my interest is to get the distance PT. Since O to S, the distance is x2, and from O to M, the distance is x1. So my distance MS is x2 minus x1. Then we have the distance here. Then we have the distance PT, which is equals to MS as x2 minus x1. This distance PT. Similarly, on this side, to get the value of QT distance, my whole length from S to Q is y2, and T to S is y1. Since this is y1, this is also y1. This distance becomes y2 minus y1. Now looking in the right angled triangle PQT. Using Pythagoras theorem, we can say PQ square equals to PT square plus QT square. Where we are evaluating the distance PQ, so it will remain PQ square. My PT distance becomes x2 minus x1 whole square, and QT distance becomes y2 minus y1 the whole square. So this, I have this PQ squared value, but we want the distance between P and Q. So I have the distance PQ as the root value of x2 minus x1 to the whole square plus y2 minus y1 to the whole square. This is the distance formula where we have any two coordinates known in this Cartesian system. We put in the value of x2, x1, y2, y1 and evaluate the distance between any two coordinates. That's all. Thank you so much.